My name is LAYE and I am the MD CEO of the Metropolitan Skills Limited. This is a conversation that has been brewing and now is boiling out of the pot. We have needed to have these conversations to gain traction, and it is finally doing so. There are so many underserved, marginalized communities that on the surface of a community you would see that it looks complete, that it looks proper, but you don't see what happens inside. You don't see the women who have no one to speak for them. You don't see the women who are suffering all kinds of abuse for the things that you take for granted. And so this is the reason why things like this are absolutely critical. They're vital. These kinds of meetings, they bring stakeholders together. You would find government representatives, you will find the community representatives, then you would find the small connecting vein or artery, as it may be, that brings these two people together. And those are the partners, the non-governmental organizations, the NGOs that are on the ground. And I always like to say that a solution that will last must be indigenous. If it isn't indigenous, it will not work and it will not last. It may work for a while, but it will crash. And so it's good to see that on a day like this, indigenous NGOs are here doing the work that is critical and vital. What I would like to see come out from this, and I think that it's inevitable anyways, that this is what comes out of this, is there are policymakers here and there are change implementers here. The policymakers and the change implementers will shake hands today, and this handshake will carry outside of this place, and it will become the thing that sustains the plans, the work plans, the actual day-to-day work plans for these change implementers. They would complement what the policymakers are doing. So you make the policies, I implement the policies, and inevitably that brings about the change that we all rallied here to see today.